the esteemed members of the international community, regional partners, and neighbor countries. Good evening. I chosen an independent candidate belongs to constituency Bangladesh. Today I stand before you a humble appeal for support and cooperation for Bangladesh's forthcoming national election. Dear Excellencies, distinguished representatives, good evening. Today, I stand not merely as a candidate, but as a citizen deeply invested in the democratic future and political stability of Bangladesh. Our nation stands at a critical juncture, preparing for the expected parliamentary elections in February 2026. This election represents a profound opportunity for democratic renewal following a period of significant political transition. Excellencies, the aspiration of our people for a peaceful, credible, and inclusive electoral process are clear. Recent national efforts, including the ambitious reform agenda and the July National Charter aimed at strengthening democratic institutions, are positive steps. However, the pre-election environment remains fragile, marked by concerns that require sustained attention and support to ensure the process enjoys the full confidence of all Bangladeshis. In this spirit, I earnestly appeal to the international community, our regional partners, and neighboring countries for your valued engagement. Your role is crucial in two key areas. I repeat, all of your role is crucial in two key areas as per my views. Number one, enhanced election observation. We welcome and encourage a reversed long-term international observation mission. The presence of credible international observers from the outset of campaigning through to the declaration of results is a cornerstone for transparency. Such mission can help deter irregularities, document the process impartially, and bolster public trust. We note with appreciation that the European Parliament has already conducted a pivotal mission and an European Union election observation mission for the polls in under consideration. Number two, targeted support for electoral integrity. I repeat, targeted support for electoral integrity. Beyond observation, there is a pressing need for cooperative support in specific areas to level the playing field and safeguard the process. This is particularly vital for independent candidates and smaller political entities who often lack the intensive resources of established party machines. This is particularly vital for independent candidates and smaller political entities who often lack the extensive resources of established party machines. Key areas where international expertise and logistical cooperation would be invaluable. Include number one, cybersecurity and information integrity, combating disinformation and ensuring the security of electoral communications are global challenges. Logistical planning, supporting the complex logistics for secure voting, especially for first time initiative like diaspora voting. Number three, candidate and agent training. Candidate and agent training, providing non-partisan training for all candidates, their agents, and polling officials on electoral rules and procedures. Number four, civil society and media support, strengthening the capacity of domestic election monitors and ensuring a free and responsible media environment. A legitimate election is the bedrock of lasting political stability. For Bangladesh, stability is intrinsically linked to the stability and prosperity of our entire region. A credible election process will reinforce our secular democratic foundations, ensure the peaceful continuation of our democratic transitions, and strengthen Bangladesh's role as a reliable partner in South Asia. Excellencies, I humbly request you to consider this appeal and explore concrete ways to partner with the people of Bangladesh during this decisive moment. I am prepared, inshallah, I am prepared to engage further on how much cooperation can be most effectively realized with profound respect and hope for a collaborative future. All of your most affectionate and sincere chosen independent candidate, Gopalganj 2 constituency, Bangladesh. Thank you so much. Please. Thank you so much along with for all of your kind passions, and thanking all of you in advance for all of your nice cooperation, collaboration, and direct intervention for the betterment of humanity, for the betterment of democracy, for the betterment of political and regional stability. I think humanity first and foremost, and at least to build a scope for our next generation, a road may make. Thank you so much.